Action.
So come on then, I'm waiting. Tell me what happened. Tell me I'm wrong. Tell me I'm mad. Tell me I'm putting things together that just don't go. I can't breathe.
What makes you think it was me?
When Peter wanted to confront Denise, you were calm. No one else was. You read that card and you still decided to go ahead with the marriage. I wouldn't have done that. The little things, they don't mean anything, do they? Or do they? My little girl out on the common. Was it you? The thing I'm clinging on to is why you were here. Why were you here? You were with Masood. It just doesn't make any sense. Are you protecting someone? Denise?
No.
Well, what about Cindy? She was always jealous of Lucy.
It wasn't Cindy.
Or did Peter phone him?
No, it wasn't him. It wasn't any of them.
Well, it was someone in this house, so who was it?
No, no one. Me. It was me. I killed Lucy. I called her. She came over. We argued. It just happened. I wanted to tell you, Ian. There's so much to say, Ian.
Leave me alone.
What are you gonna do?
No, just go. Go.